Hello, welcome to Exotic Gardening with me, Yorkshire Kris. On this week's episode, we're going to be selling off lots of plants. So we're going to have a look at the plants for sale I'll be doing in my garden on June the 28th, which is next Sunday as I record this. And the plants for sale are lots of exotic things that you can find in my garden that I've propagated myself from seed, division and cuttings over the last few years. I'm ready to sell off those plants. You can take a bit of exoticness to your garden. So let's have a look at the plants I have for sale next weekend. So let's start off with these plants, these wonderful gingers and cannas. It's got some big gingers here. These are Hedychium forrestii in these various different sized pots and washing up bowls. But you can see they're already well over a metre tall, beautiful glossy green leaves. And these will be sort of between 10 and £25, these big stocky plants. Got the Canna Alistiniis as well, similar, but got bigger leaves, banana sized leaves. And these again are going to be sort of like £15, something like that, for these nice big plants. And then we've got Canna musifolia. Most of these are looking very good, a bit of snail damage, but that doesn't really matter, they'll quickly grow out of that. And these are in these nice pots, and these will be, I think we're going to say these are £10 for these. That's a good price for these nice big sturdy hardy cannas. And then we've got some very desirable plants here. These are Amisia zygomeris, got a few of these, and we'll be doing these in these pots for about £15. These are really nice plants. More Canna Alistiniis, these are a bit more battered, the wind got them. So I'll be doing these for £10 in these pots. Again, really nice plants. I've got some more down here. Some bigger ones, that might be a little bit more, that one. Down here, I'll show you the label. So yeah, these are iris-like plants. Interesting little flowers on these. These are newly divided as well. Here we have a Ramusia. It's like it is an arid, like a colocasia, but much more tropical looking. Got one pot of that with loads of plants in. So that'll be £20. Really nice plant. We've got a fuchsia here, one of the tropical ones. That'll be bargain, that's probably going to be £3. We've got a couple of grasses, Miscanthus giganteus up there, and they'll be, well, the small pots, I think one's going to be £3, one's going to be £5. Various arid plants, these Aeoniums. So most of these are rooted, there's a few that are just cuttings, so these will be £1 to £3. A couple might be up to £5, the bigger ones, but generally they're pretty small, so they won't be too expensive. This big Aeonium here, that'll be £15, lots of heads on that one, really nice. Again, more Aeoniums down there. Over here, I've got a very rare palm tree, so plenty of these. These are Trachycarpus nanus, slow growing, don't really grow much of a trunk. So this is nanus. So I'll think what I'm going to price these. Probably going to be £8 for these pots. I know they're not big plants, but they are slow growing and very hard to come by. Curculigos here look like palms, but they're not. Interesting pleated leaves. So we'll do them for £2 to £5. And then here we have some Hedychium greenii, flower later in the year, and beautiful maroon underside of the leaves. More curculigos here, bigger ones. Oh, magic bean plants as I call them down here. These will be probably just £1. And then we've got this Begonia fuchsioides, the red form. I think we've got a pink form as well, but the red form is really sought after, really nice in these pots. Below we've got loads of begonias. This is sea urchin. So this will be £3 for these nice big plants. Across here, I've got some Phormiums, some nice black Phormiums in the pots, and these will be, I think these will be £10 for these. I might do 2 for 15 if you want both. Nice jungle style tree here. It's a suckering tree, but it's got beautiful leaves and red on the newest parts as it unfurled as well. So really nice tropical looking tree, and very hardy, but it can sucker, so you have to be careful where you plant that in the garden. I've still got my very rare Powderbay Sunker that was going to go down south, but that fell through. So that is open to offers in here. I really do sort of want to keep it, but if somebody offers me a decent amount, then I could see it go. If it's going to somewhere it's going to protect it and look after it. Miscanthus here in this pot. Again, that'll be probably about £10–12, that one. Clerodendrons here as well. This isn't for sale, this pot here, but pretty much everything else behind it is. We've got loads of bamboos. Got the blue bamboos, Berinda 1046. We've also got some Hedychiums here, blue century. We've got some Chiscaeas mixed in. Got loads of Chiscaeas, giganteus. Most of them are really healthy ones, looking a bit less healthy, but you can see the new shoots coming on them. And these are between £5 and £35 a pot, depending on the size. We've got parvifolia down there. That's Phyllostatus parvifolia, if I can focus. Just shooting up there. We've got Astrovaginata as well. Got all sorbus. These are £5 Chiscae giganteus. And more Aeoniums, £2 to £5, depending on size. Oh, and a couple of Hedychiums at the end as well. So that's all the plants in the plant sale. Hopefully you can join me on the 28th of June, 10 AM till 12 PM. 2-hour window, just have a look, pick up some plants, especially these beautiful Cannas and Hedychiums, which are looking really, really good right now. So thank you for watching this edition of Exotic Gardening UK. Join me next week when we'll be selling these plants and doing more in the garden.